Okay, so I'm making this quick video for you just to explain how the rubric is set up for the Concerned Citizen Response Letter. And you can see it's going to be scored for Standard 16, but also there's a quality of work score tied to this assignment. So this is going to be a 4-paragraph letter. The first and fourth paragraphs are not going to be too long probably, but the second and especially third will be. So the deal is, though, you're pre-writing, you've really already done the hard work. So I have for you with this assignment just a quick starter that says, Dear Concerned Citizen, thank you for the letter to our class. And then you go from there. So you have to address the essential question in a scientifically accurate and polite way. And so when I say address the essential question that way, here's the question: should we be studying climate change? Now, I want you to clearly understand this. You don't get to just say, oh, I don't think we should be studying climate change, end of letter. Like, that is not what the science tells us. And so you need to assert in your first paragraph in a polite and scientifically accurate way that we should be studying climate change. Now, that's only 1 point out of the 20 that'll translate to a 4-3-2-1. Now, paragraph 2 is about the scientific agreement that you found within the letter from the concerned citizen. So, just like your pre-writing, you're correctly identifying 3 truths and convincingly justifying these 3 truths with evidence in the lessons from our unit. So that is worth 6 points. So 3 truths that you've correctly identified, and then 3 justifications that are referring to specific things. It might be a specific graph, website, map, image, something like that, even a lab, but you're putting it into full sentences now. Honestly, there can be some copying and pasting from your pre-writing to make that go quick, but you do need to tie it together in a good paragraph structure, good sentence structure. Now, paragraph 3, 5 things you disagree with, and then convincingly defend your claim of these falsehoods with evidence from our unit. See how I got to the 10? 5 correctly identified falsehoods, 5 convincing defenses of those claims that they're false. Now, the conclusion paragraph, 3 things I'm scoring for: that you restate the claim that we should be studying climate change, summarize the main evidence. So maybe pick a couple things that are most convincing to you that we should be studying climate change, and then a mic drop final sentence. Your language arts teachers knew that you would know what that is. So some big final sentence that just leaves the reader thinking, right? So I'll total it out of 20 and translate that to a 4-3-2-1 for the academic standard. Also, quality of work score, like I showed you, I'm looking for strong sentence structure, proper spelling and grammar. Don't ignore it when your Chromebook underlines things and highlights them for you to fix. And I want to read this and know that it is your best work. Know that it is well thought through and you did the hard work of defending your positions.